Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best canister vacuum available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Miele Compact C1 Turbo Canister Vacuum. The Miele C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum is pricey, but it also boasts a lot of excellent features that make the investment worthwhile. The performance on hard surfaces, low pile carpet, and high pile carpet particularly impressed our testing team, who awarded it excellent ratings across the board. They gave it 4.5 stars for cleaning performance on these surfaces, noting that even on the high pile carpet, it only took 2 passes to pick up the cereal. After sucking up the hair, the vacuum stopped up a little bit on the medium pile carpet, earning it a grade of 4 stars for total performance and making it less ideal for a home with pets. But because it was so easy to conduct a conversation over, this canister vacuum received a perfect score for noise level. At number 2 is the Kenmore BC 3005 Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum. You have 4 power levels that let you modify the suction power in accordance with the pile height of the particular carpets or area rugs in your home. An inbuilt crevice tool and brush tool that can be kept right on the vacuum make it simple to clean behind baseboards and remove hair from upholstery. A bare floor tool is also provided in the box in case you need to clean tile, laminate, vinyl, or hardwood. Even though we didn't test this canister vacuum, we were impressed by its 26-foot retractable power cord, which increases its versatility. Swivel steering also makes moving around coffee table legs a breeze. A telescopic wand makes cleaning stairs and high places considerably simpler, even if it is slightly heavier than most others in its category. At number 3 on our list is the Miele Blizzard CX1 Canister Vacuum. We appreciate that the Miele Blizzard CX1 cat and dog bagless canister vacuum was created with pet owners in mind, even though canister vacuums are some of the most powerful on the market and can handle just about any type of filth. In addition to the motorized brush head, this vacuum has 5 other attachments that may be used to clean almost every type of floor as well as upholstery. On its lowest setting on hard surfaces and on its highest setting on high pile carpet, this vacuum easily gathered up dog kibble. On all of its settings, this vacuum also handled pet hair without any problems. With this device, our tester cautioned that climbing stairs would be a little trickier, but she advised leaving the canister at the foot of a flight of steps while cleaning them. The motorized brush head was the noisiest of the attachments, according to our tester, even though this vacuum was not unusually loud on any of its settings. Moving up at number 4 is the Atrix Turbo Red HEPA Canister Vacuum. Look at the Atrix Turbo Red Canister Vacuum if you're looking for something more portable, perhaps because you live in an apartment or condo or don't want to carry a large appliance up the stairs. The base is small, light, and simple to store, measuring only 12 by 18 by 8.5 inches and weighing only 11 pounds. The variable speed motor and 17 height options that would allow you to pick up dirt on any surface impressed us, though we didn't test it in our lab or at home. This canister vacuum includes several additional commendable features, such as a full bag indicator light and an automatically retractable power cable, despite the fact that the cleaning path is somewhat small. The vacuum comes with a long list of practical attachments and accessories, including a floor tool, 2 HEPA bags, an air-driven turbo brush, a dust brush, an upholstery nozzle, and a crevice nozzle. The corded design is also ideal for small spaces where outlets may not be as far from the surfaces you want to clean. At number 5 is the Black+Decker Bagless Canister Vacuum. An advantage of a bagless canister vacuum over a bagged one is that the former is simpler to empty and less expensive to maintain. For the vacuum, you don't need to purchase more bags. Debris isn't sealed away, though, which might be a problem for allergy sufferers who are attempting to keep all the dust, filth, and allergens in their home contained. Thankfully, the 3.8-quart dust container on the Black+Decker Bagless Multi-Cyclone Canister Vacuum means you won't need to empty it as frequently. This canister vacuum efficiently collects dirt and airborne particles and pushes them through the system, thanks to its 1,200-watt motor and multicyclonic innovation, allowing you to finish cleaning your space right away. This choice is heavier than some others on the market, nearly 14 pounds, and might not be convenient to carry up a flight of stairs. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.